Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out with my son Kevin. Whoa! And we're climbing a rocky hill. We're out exploring here in southern Arizona by the border. Right there. Mexico, right there. Just trying to find some new trails. There's lots of them out here, I'll tell you that. I've had so many people ask, so why is it you moved from the Ozarks to Arizona? And I said, I mean, part of it was because my boys was out here, but part of it was because of the riding. I mean, Missouri sucks. Arkansas, Missouri sucks. There just ain't nothing there. Got gates locked where you can't go on anything, but here it's like, I don't know, it's endless out here.
Oh yeah.
We've been out here. How many miles have we spent out here since I've been here a year now?
So I got this bike, and just now I got this bike like right when my dad got out here, like a month before he got out here, something like that.
Yeah.
And I have 6,020 miles.
Yeah, and most of that's off road.
Yeah,
other than back and forth to work.
Trails like enduro type stuff, like.
We have rode a lot of miles out in here, and still we haven't covered nearly all these trails. Whoa. We want to go right here. We was on this one, but there's a different way out here we didn't go. We even come to places where we know we've been, and we still find something else that we haven't been on. Because I can look on the map here on the GPS, the Garmin Zumo XT, but still, it don't show. It shows almost everything, but there's some that it don't show, or it will show the trail goes out there ways and ends. Well, it don't end. It just keeps going. I wonder what that is. Oh, look. Might be something off of somebody's side by side. The mirror. It's a part probably off of a somebody's side by side or four wheeler or something. It's a little cover. Throw it out of the trail. Maybe they'll come back through here one day and see it. So we'll go left here. Last time we went right. Oh, remember we've been by this.
Oh yeah, I was about to say that car. We've been by that car.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah, so we've been on that road before. We've been out that road.
Well, yeah, we come down it, didn't we?
Because we come, like, I think down this way, not that one or something like that.
Something like it, yeah. I don't remember if we went this way or not.
I think we did. I feel like this is that other back entrance that was on top of that hill climb.
Oh, where the tower was?
I'm not sure. Well, the tower's more toward Nogales. So I think we'd have to split off a different way on this road or something.
There's a bunch of trails that shows over there in Mexico. But we can't cross that fence. See, like that one is not on the map.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it just, because the border wall's right there, so I'm sure it just goes back to the border. But getting over in here were the spots where it gets real sandy. Maybe it won't be as bad after the rain. But over in here it's drier than back where we was earlier today.
Yeah, that's true. It's a lot drier through here.
Mm-hmm. Gates open. I don't know if that's a gate across the road or not. There's one that goes back toward the border wall here, but we'll take it even though it goes back there, but we'll see what it looks like anyway. So we'll have that one picked off right here. Because I know we didn't go on it, I don't think. If we don't, we'll miss a good one.
Maybe, I'm not sure. A lot of these trails look the same.
I think we went out to the right there. Nice, cool bottom in here. Lots of shade. Whoa, and sand. I thought I was going down there. Look at that tree. All the buzzards. There's a buzzard right up there. I marked that English walnut tree. I've never seen a walnut tree quite like that.
Me neither.
I don't know if they have black walnuts here. I've not seen a black walnut tree. They may have some, but I've not seen them. Where did it go? Look for it running. It's probably going to be running if we do see it. Where did it go? I heard it bark. Probably gone already. All kinds of willow trees here.
That's for sure.
I don't know where it went. It boogied. I imagine it's hiding somewhere looking at us. It sees us, but we don't see it. That shows there's another road, but that may be over that big hill climb, huh?
Probably.
We may not be able to get to it from here. Because we're at the monster hill climb.
Yeah, I know. As soon as I looked to my right whenever we pulled out, I was like, yeah.
I think it ain't that bad as long as we stay left right here and then cut across to the right and miss that rut. And then cut right here. This is a heck of a climb, I'm telling you.
A little bit more rugged this time.
I mean, right here it is stupid steep.
You can't just pin it in third up this time.
I was in second.
Yeah, I was in second.
Stay left right here, looks like. This tire, I see a tire track. My goodness. This one ain't as steep as the last one right there, but it's still pretty steep. The camera probably looks like we're on flat ground, but
Probably.
this is crazy.
Going almost straight up.
Yeah, it's the steepest hill I've ever climbed.
Steepest dirt road hill, that's for sure.
That is unreal right there. Did we go down to this part?
Yeah. Watch out, watch out.
And I got to going too fast and that loose rock, I was sliding all over the place. My goodness.
Yeah, you kind of scared me there.
Yeah, it was freaky. I don't know if we can go down it or not.
No, I'm not chancing going down
I'm going to
that.
climb it. I'm climbing it today.
Yeah.
This is my day.
Yeah, you wouldn't climb that other one, but you'll climb this.
How about no? Yeah, that road I'm seeing is the one where we come on the top of that, I think.
Probably. If it's just past it, it's the one where we come out past it.
Yeah, you guys can't see it if you watch our other videos, but this is the biggest hill climb I've ever seen in my life. It's not really a hill climb, it's a mountain climb. And it is ridiculous. The problem is if you did screw up, you're screwed. I mean,
That's
if
taller.
you get into that steel stuff right there, you're tore up. My goodness. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Just looking at it's plenty. It's
Yeah.
a thrill enough just looking at it. I don't have to climb it to get a thrill.
Yeah.
That's just dumb. What that is. Whoa.
Walking up that hill.
That's loose stuff right there. Jeez. Oh yeah. The time me and Scotty come over here, I made it to about here. And we turned around, but it was bad. It was so rutted out and big rocks and chewed up. Now the big downhill. This dude is steep. You definitely don't want to front brake it too hard down this. I do use the front brake a little bit, but not much.
Yeah. These are the main places where I actually use my front brake a decent bit.
Yeah.
Because you have to. The back tire ain't enough.
Oh, I thought I was going in that rut. I started sliding like you was. Goodness gracious, I'm glad that's over with.
Woo!
It's worse going down than it was going up.
That first hill is crazy, man.
Yeah,
Put the workout in going down it.
Stupid. Oh, this one's easy.
Yeah.
Left here.
Yeah.
Back past the walnut tree. So we had been through here this way. Because we've come to that hill and turned and come back this way. This is where that sand is. Soft stuff. Ooh, mercy. There's a workout up and down that hill.
Yeah, it was. It was rutted more than last time. Last time it wasn't rutted. It was
There's lots
pretty.
of
It was pretty decent. I could just like put it in third and pin it right up.
Yeah. Yeah, I went up in second this time. Last time
Yeah,
it was
me too.
third. Okay, guys, we're going to get off here. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. We'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.